I left you a message. Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Hello? I'm calling long distance. You can't hear me. What? The distance has been discharged. You're speaking from a mobile space. I should press 0. Again. Can you hear me now? Yes. Please put my mother on. What number did I call? The skies. That's the other one they gave me. Not there. Can I scream a message to her? Tell her it's extremely urgent. I dreamt she was dead, and I, a small child, woefully self-pissed, fear, drenched from head to toe, still not completely dry. She has to come and change it. If she can't, tell her too, her former threat, the old man would eat me if I didn't finish my food, has matured. It is matured, and I've become a meal for old age. Not in some dreamy little tavern, in some fast food joint, opened by the mirror.